we are looking at how to pronounce those two words, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary as well in English, so stay tuned. The top word is the verb. In British English, it's pronounced as expire, expire. Stress on the second syllable, expire. Now, the noun that relates to this verb is said, that's your bottom word here, expiration. There you stress on the third A syllable, expiration, expiration. So to expire, as in these chocolates expire in a week, the expiration date of these chocolates is in a week. Expire, expiration. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciation. See you there. Thanks for watching.